Hello traders, welcome back to GolgiFx, and this is your boy Golgi. So a lot of people are using the RSI indicator in a way that do not work anymore, and it's making them lose using this indicator. So in this video, we'll be looking at the RSI indicator, and I'll break down the RSI indicator trading strategy that you can use to profit from the market. If you are new to my channel, you can check out some of my other powerful trading strategy and weekly videos that can help you to stay edge in the market. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to be notified on incoming videos. Traders, let's get into the video. So the RSI indicator is a very powerful indicator, and which is also known as the relative strength index. And this is a momentum oscillator that measures speed and changes of price movement. The RSI indicator oscillates between 0 and 100, which is considered overbought at above 70 and oversold, which is below 30. So if you look at our chart now, this is my RSI indicator, and you can see the 70 here and the 30 here, which range from 0 to 100. So if you can remember, we said the RSI indicator measures speed and changes in price. So this means looking at the indicator from the idea of measuring speed using the overbought and oversold is not important when trading. So we don't need the overbought and oversold idea whereby price gets to 70 or price get to 30 or below 30, then we buy. Then when price gets above 70, we sell. This idea do not work anymore. And when we are looking at this, meaning we are looking at speed when trading. But using this indicator to measure the changes of price movement is the best way to go. And this will help you to know exactly when to set or stay out of the market or even trade in the direction that you are looking at. So how do you do that? This brings us to the idea of divergence. So one way of identifying changes in price is using the divergence in forex. So divergence in forex is when price of the current pair moves in one direction and the technical indicator like the RSI also move in the opposite direction. So if you look at my chart now, I'm on the 4-hour time frame of the AUD/USD, and if you look at price around this level, you can see that as the indicator gives that clean low, price here gives that lower low. So this is a sign of divergence in price. And also, if you can look at this level too, you can see that as price gives us higher high, if you look at the indicator, we are getting clean lows forming around this level. And if you go to the higher time frame, like the daily time frame that I'm currently looking at, you can see that as price gave us this lower low here, the indicator or the RSI indicator gives us this lower high here, which is a form of divergence. So using the RSI indicator and using the idea of divergence is the best way of using this tool to create a trading strategy. So how can we use the idea of divergence to the overall direction of the market, which can help us to create an RSI indicator trading strategy? So if you look at our chart, I'm on the daily time frame. So one thing that you can do based on the type of trader that you are, either you're a day trader or a swing trader, is to identify the overall direction of the market. So if you look at my current direction, you can see the market is pushing to the upside. So we are looking for trades in the upside, which means that if we see any divergence in this level that will continue to push to the upside, then we try to continue to buy. And when divergence gives an idea of the current price change, then we tend to trade in that direction. So if you look at this chart, you can see if I look at this level, you can see when price make higher high here, the indicator started making higher low here, which is a form of reversal price in the market. So if you look at our current price here, we can see that price gave us this higher high here, whereby indicator gave us this lower low here, which is a form of continuation to the upside. So we are continuing to buy this pair on the daily time frame till we see a reversal to the downside, or we see another divergence which is giving us a sign of reversal to downside. This is an easy RSI indicator trading strategy that you can use, whereby you just follow price, and as you see price diverging to the other side of the market, you just move to the other side and trade in that direction. So with this, if let's say if you take this level on a chart, we can look at the overall trend, which was in the downtrend, and we can see a sign of market reversing to the upside by seeing this divergence forming. So what do? We can go to the 4-hour time frame and stay there and wait patiently and look for reversal and follow market structure. So if you look at market structure here, you can see as we saw this divergence forming, we started seeing clean lows forming here, and I created this box here. As we see a breakout from this level, we had a retest and the market started pushing to the upside. So this is an easy way of trading using the RSI trading strategy. We can see we waited for the market to give us a clear divergence, then we went to the lower time frame to trade in that direction. And with this, we can use this as our swing trading strategy. And if we are going to day trade, we can also use this strategy whereby we can trade on the 4-hour looking at the overall trend. If you look at some of the divergence that we identify here, we can see price give us higher high, whereby indicator was giving us clean low, and the same at this level where price gave us lower low, indicator was giving us clean low for the continuation of price. So when we see something like this, what we have to do as a day trader, we can go to the 15 minutes time frame and we identify our level. You can see around this level, so that price was pushing down, we had lower high, but around this point we saw the market reversed and we had a breakout of structure. So anytime we see this, what do? Wait for price to retest that level, and we could have looked for trade opportunities around this level to profit from the market. So this is a very simple trading strategy that you can use. So far as you can use your RSI indicator to identify your divergence in price, and also you know your overall trend of the market, then it's very easy for you to trade and you'll be able to profit from this market, rather than focusing on the overbought, which is the 70 price, and the oversold, which is the 30 price, which does not work when it comes to developing a trading strategy. But rather you can look at the changes in price and be placing trades around that, rather than focusing on the speed. So traders, this is one powerful way of looking at the RSI indicator trading strategy. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.